Okay, so hello friends and welcome to 8th of July expiry weekly expiry. So around it was a kind of a good expiry for the weekly system, and monthly, as you can see, it is currently ongoing, which we are doing. And Bank Nifty first coming to the chart, it had broken this range. So this was a very important. If you look, it is also a very important zone, 35,800. It was attempting to go there multiple times, but it failed. And what you saw, which lead to the drastic fall, is what we call as a option premium contraction, right? So when there is a premium contraction, so we have seen that the options on the put side, if you look at any option, they had contracted quite a lot, right? So a 600 premium within 3 4 days, it has come down. For the next week also, it has come down to 200 or less than that, right? So there was a lot of put contraction, lot of we say the put sellers had came into the market. So when the market was unable to go up, and what we saw, it broke down below it, right? And then as soon as we came inside the range, right, the call sellers definitely they were on the sidelines. They got aggressive, and there was also a short covering from the board, which led to this definite drastic fall. But more importantly, what price action, as per the price action, what matters is that earlier, if you see, there was also an impulsive move from 35,000 around 35,800. So the fast the price moved, it was unable to sustain, and thus when there is a reversal, in such cases the reversal also is faster. Look at this. This is not the simple example. Look at this example also, right? A very fast up move, a price not able to sustain, a fast down move in 2 days, right? Over here, look at this, a fast down move, price not able to sustain, fast up move. So in such time, there is a very fast change of polarity that you have to be very careful if you take a decision based on a candlestick. Like, that's why a candlestick trader, one who is a candlestick trader, he doesn't do that good in the market, because he only looks at the short term theme of the market, right? But a price action trader will definitely see, if it is a big candle, he won't get attracted by the big candle. He will kind of always uh, pay attention to how uh, the big candle, the form, the position of where the big candle has formed. Also, what did the market do earlier before such a big candle? Because all these big candles generally, if you look, they also form as a very wonderful kind of a trap, right? So you need to understand, not only in index, but everything you trade, be it intraday, be it kind of swing or positional, price action is the most important thing. Once you understand it, and price action is not about drawing trend lines or drawing supply demand. This supply everybody knew, right? Those who have aggressively would have shorted over there, they would have won this time, but this was also a supply area, right? You would have lost here. This was also a supply area. A market broke out over here, they would have got trapped over here. So if you want to build up your accuracy and do well in the market, always pay attention to how the price, what it is telling you. That is the most important thing in the market, right? And that is what has also led us to do well over here, and at the same time our students also are able to do well, right? Now this is the weekly system that we had. It was a calendar system. So definitely there were, you see, a little bit more adjustments, because the market range was quite large for last week. But for this calendar system, in two lots, it was able to end at 11.4, right? And the last week it was around 10,200, right? It's a hedge system. You need to understand, it's a hedge system. So even if the market moves much, you will kind of your loss is always protected, right? Now these are the monthly calendars that we are doing. So currently for the June month, this was a very conservative calendar that we did. And if you look at this, the margin that was required for the June calendar that we did, it was less than kind of a 1 to 1.5 lakhs, less than that, right? So over there you were able to earn about 15-20% of reward over there, right? And now this July calendar is going. Now this is kind of a, we are trying for more profits, hence there is a combination of calendars and spreads, right? So you need to understand what actually you are doing in the market. Don't try to just blindly follow anyone on social media or anywhere. Just don't get attracted by our profits, not our profits or anybody's profits also. Try to understand if he is trying able to make sense, right? That is what matters. Similarly for the Nifty, you can see this move was very fast, right? And then there was, from yesterday only, the market gave warning. It came up not able to sustain, and then you can see there was a, it came to the origin of the move from where it all started from 2nd of July, right? From 2nd of July, we are able to at the same position. Now, if it goes below this, again, you are able to see there is a lot of volatility in this. This region, generally, market has formed a big base from June onwards, right? From the May, once it broke, this is a very solid base from the market. If it breaks below it, then definitely we will see a change in the polarity, because all this consolidation that we are doing from the last 1.5 month, it is breaking below that. So a good closing below it can lead to a swift kind of a, now you should always wait for closing. Why you should always wait for closing? Look at this, because this is how you can get trapped, right? A person who sold here aggressively, he was instantly trapped by the market. So don't do that, right? In the market. So this premium contraction is a very important concept. You need to pay attention to it, right? And this, once you understand how, what is the premium contraction, and when you don't need to uh, short, because as for our students also that we didn't take any additional puts than what we had since yesterday, because we, the market was kind of the bank Nifty, it was not able, an hourly candle also was not able to break above this zone. So this was a very wonderful trap, right? You can see this hourly made and the next candle engulfed it. Why? Because there was such a big momentum that this, and after the end of the momentum, generally you get traps, because if these buyers want to exit or they want to bring the volatility, they have to attract late buyers, and this is how, if you are late into the market, don't run after it. This is how you will get trapped, right? And so it was a good expiry, right? And we were able to kind of get good returns over there. There was an impulsive move at the end, right? And but at the same time, the most important thing is that any hedge system, the biggest advantage with the hedge system is that you will have a consistency in your profits. Doesn't matter what the market is. The market can remain sideways. Like last time the market was sideways, so I'll just show you that this was the iron fly that we did. It also rewarded well, and calendar also gave us around 10k. So if you are able to understand which systems to deploy when, then in a way it becomes much more better. And at the monthly, at the same time, we are also having this July's triangle, which currently is, we are uh, running over here, right? We have booked the higher premiums and now we have shifted to lower premiums, because put side we reduced our exposure. We have only such small premium puts. Why? Because there was such a big premium contraction in the puts that they were not attractive for fresh selling over there, right? So we added another call over here, so we will just monitor it. We are maintaining a distance from the market because actually it has hit our target, right? This is per lot profit, it has hit our target. So that is what it around 10k, it is exceeding 10k. So we will play defensive, and once we get the chance, then we will try to go more aggressive in this, right? And try to increase it to above 15-20k around. We will try to do if markets allow us, right? So that is what important for you to understand, is that work logically in the market, and try to understand what it is trying to communicate with you. And for that, the price action is the most important thing, right? So the for our also, if you are interested, our price action program is starting from 18th of June, sorry, July. And you kind of then to understand what how to interpret the market as a professional, like profession trader does, or as a logical person, rather than just following blindly following any strategy or any system, because such things doesn't work, right? And this is a helping hand also. I'll tell you today some of their trading also. We took Techem short, HDFC Bank short side, right? And this is all you can see, right? Whatever I have done, this is in the options community that we have. uh, what the month adjustments, and if this how in a way, in a systematic way, it is important that people give. So that is how you learn in the market, right? And this is how calendar it from 6k in the morning, it went till around 7k, by so went till 11k by managing it in a logical way, right? So rather than profits, go run after logic in the market and build your capital consistently, and you will do well over here. So that's it for today. Today's topic was, I hope you found it interesting. It was about premium contraction and traps in the market. And we will come up with such exciting videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. And hope you are doing well in the markets. And if not, then definitely it's a high time that you take a proper guidance and learn it properly before uh, putting all your chips in it, right? So thanks for your time. That's all for today. God bless you, and goodbye.